Another day, another story. Only 20 years ago, businesses spent thousands of dollars each year on radio, television, and print advertisements in the hopes of growing their brand. While they were promised success, the truth was that standing out and making money through advertising was extremely difficult. Worse, their efforts were frequently pitted against massive corporations with multi-million-dollar advertising budgets. Smaller companies had a more difficult time measuring success against their Goliath-like competition, if they got any airtime at all. Small businesses and the average entrepreneur got the short end of the stick, and growth was difficult. That was, however, 20 years ago. Anyone with an internet connection and the know-how can now make money by assisting brands in growing and selling online through affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of advertising that brands use to try to reduce waste in their marketing budget. It can be discouraging for a company to pay thousands of dollars for clicks or impressions only to gain a handful of customers. Many brands have been burned by such ventures, so as the cost of online advertising has risen, they've turned to innovative ways to cut costs while still growing their customer base. While most businesses understand that spending money on advertising is necessary, the ideal situation is to limit their costs to customers earned. That is where the concept of affiliate marketing originated. Affiliates and businesses can collaborate in a revenue-sharing relationship between brand and marketer as a performance-based marketing method. An affiliate program can provide a financial incentive to brands that have a product and want to sell more of it. Individuals without a product who want to make money can find a valuable product and earn money through affiliate marketing. This article walks beginners through the world of affiliate marketing step by step. You'll discover what it is, how it works, and, most importantly, how you can profit from it. And, because good affiliate marketers can be difficult to come by, you'll learn everything you need to stand out from the crowd. As you learn how to sell as an affiliate marketer, use this post as a resource at each stage of your journey. As you read through each section, affiliate marketing will be explained in a way that you can understand. You'll also find a plethora of affiliate marketing examples and tips to help you establish yourself and improve your selling methods, which will increase your passive income over time. So let's get started by covering the fundamentals. Affiliate Marketing 101. Understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. When most people approach this topic, the first question they have is fairly simple: how does affiliate marketing work? To answer that, we must first examine the definition of affiliate marketing. Here's a simple definition that summarizes it nicely. Affiliate marketing is a method of making money by selling the products of another company. You have no inventory as a marketer and work on commission. Affiliate marketers are typically compensated when a consumer they referred purchases a product or service or completes a specific task. In other words, it's a way for businesses to outsource their marketing to you on a strictly performance-based basis. This provides businesses with a 100% return on investment, making it unique among online marketing methods. It also implies that you have the potential to make a lot of money by selling a product that isn't your own. The more you sell, the more money you make. And because you don't have to worry about shipping, overhead costs, or customer service, you can keep your input as low as you want. However, in order to make money as an affiliate marketer, you must first understand all parties involved and what they stand to gain from the relationship. Knowing each role and how they can potentially help you make money is an important first step in becoming an affiliate. The affiliate marketing participants. Building relationships with 3 distinct parties is essential to your overall success. Guide to affiliate marketing. Advertiser, the first party, also known as the advertiser or merchant, is the one who sells the actual product or service. This is the party with whom you, the affiliate, will be collaborating. They usually have an established affiliate program and leave it up to you to carve out your online space and sell their product. The product or service could be something tangible, like phones or laptops, or something intangible, like insurance policies. Publisher, the second party is the publisher, also known as the affiliate marketer. This is you, the person assisting the merchant in selling in exchange for a commission. You'll have a contract in place, and you'll try to push traffic to your site through links, ads, or, in some cases, unique phone numbers. Affiliate marketers are a very broad category that could include just about anyone on the internet. If you follow a blog or a popular social media profile, chances are they are a brand affiliate. Because both parties need to make money for the relationship to continue, the advertiser/affiliate relationship is highly strategic. Because you're working so closely together, you must agree on your roles, responsibilities, and compensation. Finally, there is the consumer, or the party who will, hopefully, purchase your product. As a result, the affiliate-consumer relationship should be one of trust. The consumer completes the relationship triangle by interacting with your marketing efforts, for example, by clicking Attract URL or Ad, and then progressing further into the publisher's sales funnel. Everyone receives their share of the exchange once they've purchased something or completed the action agreed upon by the affiliate and merchant. All three groups are centered on the affiliate's relationship and will receive their product or payment through you. Of course, you'll be compensated when a transaction is completed. Once you understand how each party performs its function, you will have a better understanding of how the entire affiliate marketing process works. As an affiliate, you create content or run affiliate advertising that encourages customers to purchase from a merchant. You'll have a predetermined affiliate marketing strategy that will allow you to build an audience and promote to it. The merchant can track when you send a customer to them and will pay you if they buy a product or service using various technologies and platforms. You have no say over what you sell or the price it sells for as a third party to the brand, but you also carry less risk. Every party benefits when all aspects of affiliate marketing work together. Consumers receive their product, merchants earn money, and the affiliate earns a commission. If you follow this process correctly, you can make money in the long run by sticking to a consistent strategy and building stronger relationships with all three parties involved. Let's take a look at a simple example of how this works in practice. What exactly is an affiliate program? An affiliate program, also known as an associate program, is an agreement in which an advertiser pays a commission to a publisher or influencer, the affiliate, for bringing them sales. The affiliate is given a one-of-a-kind link through which referrals can be tracked, mostly using cookies. The cookie's duration determines how long it will track clicks on the affiliate link. There are several types of affiliate programs, and you should select one that best matches the behavior of your target audience. Search affiliates, review sites, email marketing programs, and coupon promotions are all popular affiliate programs. What exactly are affiliate links? Affiliate links are one-of-a-kind URLs that include the affiliate's username or ID as well as the advertiser's URL. Companies that offer affiliate programs use these links to track traffic to their website. The affiliate is compensated if a person clicks on the affiliate link and purchases the endorsed product on the advertiser's website. One important aspect of using affiliate links is that they must be disclosed. Simply put, the law requires you to disclose any link or promotion that could result in a commission for you. Affiliate marketing's benefits and drawbacks. Before you begin working as an affiliate marketer, you should be aware of the pros and cons. The rewards may sound incredible, but this venture is not without risk. Advantages of being an affiliate. Low initial investment. Most programs allow you to join for free, so your costs are usually determined by how you build your audience and obtain referrals. You are not required to create your own product or service. When someone buys from you, your merchant will ship it for you. With a Wi-Fi connection, you can work from anywhere. Income can be passive if properly set up. Provides an additional revenue stream for home-based businesses or anyone with a website. Being an affiliate is a dream come true for a cash-strapped entrepreneur willing to take it slowly. You can expand as you earn money, eventually creating a higher source of income. If you are very successful, it may even become your full-time job.